Hi, my name's Heidi, and on this short video I'm going to show you how to send assessments to an individual using the flowprofiler platform. Once you've logged into the flowprofiler platform, simply move across to the navigation bar on the left and click on Send, which is located underneath Invite. Once you've clicked on Send, you can click on one or more assessments to send to one or more individuals. So here I have clicked on EQ Flow and Motivation Flow, and I'm going to click on Go, which will then take me to the page where I can add in new individuals if they have not already been sent assessments or added into my account. So by doing, you simply need to fill in their first name, last name, and email address. You can also assign a label to an individual by clicking on Select Label, clicking on a label that has already been created, or you can select a new label. If you would like to add more than one individual into your account at this stage, you simply click on the plus until you have added in all the individuals you need to. Once this stage has been completed, first name, last name, email address, and label if required, you click on Save. This will then take you to the Existing tab where you can see a list of all the individuals that exist in your account. From here, we will select the individual that we wish to send the assessment to by ticking the box on the left side of their name. You can also search through the labels here or use the search bar here if you have a long list of individuals. Once the individual is selected, you click Confirm and you confirm that the individual Peter P is being sent EQ Flow and Motivation Flow. Here I can assign an expiry date to the individual so they have a certain amount of time to complete their assessment. You do not need to assign an expiry date. If you do and it runs out, we can resend the assessment. Once this is done, you simply click Confirm and these assessments will be sent to the individual and will be accessible straight away. Thank you so much for your time. We hope to see you again soon.